You often hear about how AI is revolutionizing the world,
Artificial intelligence.
AI.
Artificial intelligence.
but you might not know how to use it to increase your productivity and therefore gain a competitive advantage. That's why in this video, I want to show you how I've been able to create more than 7 AI experts that were able to help me achieve and complete tasks that are boring and difficult, therefore allowing me to stay ahead of my competition and giving me more time to do the creative tasks and the things that will give me a higher return on investment. Now, before we dive into this video, I just want you to know that I am no AI guru, and this video is not about an AI machine that can do all the work for you. Instead, I'll introduce you to a straightforward free AI system designed to double your productivity, giving you more time to do what you do best. Also, be sure to stick till the end of the video because I'm going to be sharing a very valuable bonus. So, let's get into it. Hey guys, so welcome to the AI Experts hiring tutorial. Now, the reason why I called it that is because you literally have an expert that has a lot of knowledge and can answer you 24/7 and instantly. Okay, now the tools we need are either ChatGPT 3.5, which is free, or ChatGPT 4, which is $20 a month, and I highly recommend it because it's more concise, it is more accurate, right? And it has more reasoning. Now, the next thing we have are the steps. The steps will help us build the foundation, and you'll know what I mean by that in just a moment, right? So the first step we need to do is clear all the chats we have in ChatGPT. Now, this is optional, but I highly recommend it because when you want to have the coaches, right, you want to have a clear chat to know how to access the coaches. Now, here is an account which I will use for this demo. It doesn't have GPT-4 and it has previous chats, right? And here is my main account. And you can see here the coaches. So language coach, AI prompting coach, marketing coach, etc. And the names that are very similar. Lango, language, Andy, AI, Mark, marketing, etc. So you get the point. You can see how clean it is, and I'll also have the general chat and the random tasks, which I use for random questions and random tasks basically, and the others are more specific for each type of coaching, right? So this is my clean account. I won't use it for this demo, but what I will use is this account, which I assume a lot of you will have a lot of the chat filled up. So what I will do is go onto here, settings, clear all chats, confirm deletion. Okay, and as you can see, we now have a very clean chat that we can proceed with. The second step we have is to copy, paste, and modify this prompt to best suit you, right? Okay, so I will copy and paste it right here. So for the sake of this example, I will, use an email coach, right? So I want you to be my email coach. Your name is Emil. Okay, you're 38-year-old, let's say Harvard Business School. Really, the more specific you are in your instructions and in the character trait, the more accurate the responses will be. Okay, so to continue, you have 20 years of experience in email sending, let's say, an email and customer relationship management, right? So you're always up to date to the latest industry updates. I will ask you questions. All I need in return is your guidance and proper role as a coach. And please ask any questions you have so that I can improve my prompt before you complete your task, right? So this is an important thing, is that if the coach has more questions to ask you, he needs to know more information. You can add to it, and it can give you a more decisive and accurate response, and you will help me with all your power, right? So we click on that, and here we have a coach. Okay, so yeah, you can see he asked us a question. As we stated here, please ask any questions, right? So here we have it, and now I'm gonna name it Emil email coach. I can ask it any question, you know, I can tell it to craft me an email.
A few moments later.
And I can also make it more detailed, so tell it like it should be 150 words maximum, and give it everything I need, etc. So here it is. It's generating the template. Now I mostly use the email coach after writing the email, because it has a lot of, you know, structure and grammar errors. Then I give it to the email coach for it to adjust it, and it would give me back a more professional and good email. All right, guys, so now that you're done with the 3 simple steps, aka building the foundation and hiring the AI assistants or coaches, experts, whatever you want to call it, then, as I promised, finally we have the bonus. The bonus will help you utilize AI's capabilities. So what I mean by that is that AI is brilliant, and you wanna like extract the best out of it. You wanna extract the knowledge and all the wisdom that it has, right? And for that reason, I believe these 3 or more prompts will help you do so. Okay, so with your business, oftentimes you have an offer that you wanna test, and before you put it into test, if you want to make, you know, additional adjustments, then you can use the constructive criticism prompt. What this will help you do is allow AI to use all its power, of course, to see what are the things you can improve in your offer, or anything, really anything, before releasing it, right? The second is reverse engineering prompts. Now this is also very powerful. You can use it to reverse engineer the strategies of your competitors and understand how they've done it, what templates, what frameworks they used, therefore giving you a competitive advantage. As I promised you guys, this video is to give you more productivity and competitive advantage, and also reverse engineered copies. And finally, brainstorming. So brainstorming, as you know, we humans have limited knowledge, and we also want like experts' opinion and experts' knowledge on, you know, brainstorming on ideas. So if you want to brainstorm ideas, this template is for it. And if you want to brainstorm solutions, so sometimes you are trying to find solutions but you get stuck, so if you need help, you can also use this prompt. So yeah, and finally, if you have any questions or need help, feel free to reach out to me on Instagram or Twitter. The links are embedded in these words. So yeah, guys, what I've shown you is a very simple yet effective method that I've been using for weeks to increase my productivity and delegate, you know, boring and difficult tasks to experts, more specifically AI experts that will do the job either for free, as I showed you, or on a monthly subscription. For example, I've used these AI experts to send emails, fix my YouTube scripts, fix my grammar, and develop marketing strategies, brainstorm ideas, you know, just a lot of things can be done using these coaches. So it's totally scalable. You can get unlimited, you know, knowledge, unlimited leverage using these AI experts. Apart from that, I'll be documenting my journey in building my AI automation agency, in which we work on automating business workflows and processes using the power of AI. And in addition, I'll also be sharing systems and experiences along the way, or in the journey of trying to reach $1 million in the bank, which I'm 99% sure will happen. Other than that, guys, as always, take care, take risks, and I'll see you in the next one.